Welcome to Retire Too Soon, and today we're going to fix the door. Here are the parts I ordered on Amazon. If you start with this too, you can save it without taking it off the door panel. But I need to take the door panel off, so you got to take off these 3 screws. There are white and black tabs, you just pull them out after you get the screws undone. Just kind of showing you around where all the tabs are. There is wiring if yours is powered. The rods are color coded. You can kind of see on here on the old one. Here's a part that I got from Napa. Shows you all the colors, both sides. Make sure everything's functioning before you close it. Make sure all the white and black retainer clips are in their right position. Line them up, push them in. This is how you adjust the door height. How far it goes in, how far up, down, etc. Don't forget to put in the self-tapping screws. I always had to slam it multiple times. Nice. That is freaking awesome. Probably need to work on adjustment a little bit more. But overall, pretty happy. Well, boys and girls, I hope this was helpful. I know this made my day. Extremely excited. Been dealing with this for a long time. Bye.